Hello, this is Alex Horkey, and this is an announcement about internet safety. One of the first safety tips I have is make sure that you don't give your name, phone number, email address, or any other personal information unless you know that the source you are sending them to is trusted and secure. Make sure you choose secure passwords that you can remember. You don't want to share your passwords with anybody. They could access your personal information and do things under your name that you would never do. We all have emails. We all send and receive them. We need to be very careful when it comes to what we open when we receive these emails. If they are not sent from a secure source and you open the link that is attached in the email, you may have just opened a straight line for a virus to get into your computer, cell phone, or electronic device. Speaking of viruses, you want to make sure that you have an up-to-date antivirus software. This will help prevent any virus your electronic device may get. You also need to respect other people online. Don't treat or say anything that is mean or hurtful. This is just common courtesy that everyone should have while online.